Still on integration, we got some aspect of indefinite integral. Just like here, we have integral of f prime x divided by the original function f of x dx equal to ln the absolute value of f of x plus the constant c. However, to write it in this form, the numerator must be the derivative of the denominator. Alright guys, let's take a few examples. We have int of 2x divided by x squared dx equal to, let's check this out. On the denominator we have x to the power 2. However, we know that the derivative of this one is nothing but 2x, meaning that we can write it in this form: ln the absolute value of f of x plus the constant c. However, in our case, f of x is nothing but x squared. Therefore, we're gonna have ln the absolute value of x squared plus the constant c, just like that. Okay, let's have a look on this one. Here guys, on the numerator we have x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 4, and we know that the derivative of this one is nothing but 4x to the power 3, meaning that here we're supposed to have 4x to the power 3. We're gonna do it like this: 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is nothing but 1. And of x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 4 dx equal to, this can also be written as, because we wanna make the numerator to be the derivative of the denominator, then here we have to place 4. Therefore, we will be left with 1 over 4 int of 4x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 4 dx equal to, now we can write it in this form. Since the derivative of this one is nothing but 4x to the power 3, and remember we also have 1 over 4, therefore we're gonna get 1 over 4 ln the absolute value of, in place of f of x, here is f of x, we got x to the power 4, meaning that we have the absolute value of x to the power 4 plus the constant c, just like that. To check whether what we did is correct or not, we're gonna derivate this, or if we derivate this, we should get x to the power 3 over x to the power 4. Okay, let's quickly derivate this one. Guys, here I didn't change anything. We have y equal to 1 over 4 ln u. In our case, u is nothing but x to the power 4. I placed u in place of x to the power 4 plus the constant c. so that we can be able to derive it. Okay, let's go ahead and derive it. The derivative of this one with respect to the variable u is nothing but dy over du equal to 1 over 4 is constant, and to derive it lean, we have this form u prime divided by u, just like that. And the derivative of a constant is 0, remember? Therefore, we're gonna have 1 over 4 into the derivative of this one is nothing but, because here we have the derivative of u. If we derive this one, we're gonna get 4. We're gonna get 4x to the power 3 divided by u, as it is. U is nothing but x to the power 4. Yeah, just like that, equal to 4 and 4 will cancel, then we will be left with x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 4. As you can see, guys, that there is no inconsistency, because when we derive this one, we still get the original equation.